You want to go first? You want me to?
John and Jenna Jackovich, the GCV team. We love building beautiful houses and making something special every time. We have technology in our own home. It's part of our everyday life. It just makes things a little easier.
It's important for us to put that kind of stuff in our houses for our clients to see. Lights and the TVs, the audio systems. I mean, I haven't heard too many people say, yeah, you know what, I don't want that.
I think with lighting too, it's not something that you notice immediately, but you feel it.
You feel calm. You're inside the house.
It's a mood.
It's a mood, yeah. There's just a lot of different features in this house that Kodo was a big part of and took it to the next level. You can go room to room and each room complements each other. As you walk through this house, you kind of get the vision of the whole thing.